Hello everyone, my name is Medyasan. Welcome to Hackers Network. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a few dollars. You can make dollars online with an ebook. I'm going to show you, which is going to sell very good, and you can make money on autopilot. So let me show you the product first. I have the list. It's my product, and I've listed it on digistore, and it's this one, affiliate avalanche. It is best product you can buy and sell to other people, because it's going to show you how you can market your product, how you can become an affiliate, how can you make money online without doing the work. You can make money on autopilot. This is the one of the best resources for the affiliate beginners who want to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So in this book I have provided all resources and all the information you needed to succeed in affiliate marketing. So my product is listed on digistore, and the vendor name is future millionaire. And if you search future millionaire in the vendor section, you will get the product, or just search affiliate revenue avalanche ebook in the product name, and you will get this ebook. What you can do is you can just it's actually for $10.98. If you want to buy this, it will be 60% discount for you. And you can just click on promote button and copy your own link and purchase it. It will be 60% off, because I'm just giving 60% commission, and it will be referred to your own account, and you will be getting your own money back. But the thing is, the main thing here is that you can also make money off this product. How can you do that? Just promote that affiliate link on Facebook, Google Ads, anywhere. Just make sure to make your own pre-sale page or website or blog website, where you can refer people, so you can tell them to buy this product. You can also share this book in affiliate marketing groups, into your friends and family. And you can also share these products with any people, with the solo ads, or you can just promote it on, for example, on any marketing, on any platform like Instagram. You can buy shout out on Instagram page, theme page, and you can sell this product for there. It will be worth it, because this is the best product you can provide to affiliates, the beginner affiliates. It has all the information you needed to succeed in affiliate marketing, and it's very cheap. Believe me, this book for this price is very cheapest, because it has many information in it, and it has best quality content you can ever see on ebook like this one. Because if you want if anyone else was doing this, he would have charged thousands of dollars, because the secrets people are hiding on this marketing, they are selling it for a higher ticket. So you have advantage over them, because you can sell this easily, and you can purchase it for yourself if you want, for very less cheap price, even more than that of I've said. And here what I've said is that I've stated that who can use this product. If you are internet marketer, network marketers, life coaches, personal development, and whatever you are, if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you can buy this product or sell this product to these people. In this book you will learn affiliate basics, and all you need to do marketing and helpful information, and all this. And here is my sales page. Sorry, I have already opened it. Here it is. This is my sales page. I have made the site on wix.com. That's why I'm showing as a Wix banner. So don't worry, it's not an issue. So this is the product. I have given all the details about it. I've discussed many things in the sales page. providing all the information you need it. If you are not sure you need to buy this, or if your customer is not sure that he is need to buy this, just send him to this sales page, and it's gonna convert him very well because I have provided all the information. So if you click on the buy now button, it will take you to the product, and here is the product you can purchase. You can click on it and buy it from digistore, and that's it. You can just promote this product anywhere else on any platform for easily, and you can make money off of it. And also don't forget to purchase this product for yourself, because you are gonna get 60% off, and it's very cheap, and it has all information you needed to succeed in affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching. Next time, stay active on affiliate marketing, and make sure to promote this product, because it's going to help you a lot making sales and get money. Thank you. Bye bye.